Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change hosting your language. Now, there's two ways to do this. One is where you are logged into your HPanel, and one is where you're not logged in yet. If you're not logged in yet, you just come to the top right, click on your language here at the top right, and then you just choose whatever country you want, and it would change to that language. For example, if we pick this one, as you can see, it changes the language. And then if you are logged in, you just come here at the top right, you click on this profile icon, you'll get a drop down, and here you'll see this option right above the learning tab. It says language. So if you click on that, you'll get all of these different languages, and then your HPanel will be displayed on this language. So if we choose Dutch, as you can see, our thing will go ahead and refresh, and now it is in Dutch. Of course, you can change it back anytime you want. Really that easy. If you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Really helps me.